Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. It is Matt Swords, and in this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix the secure boot error trying to play Battlefield 6. Battlefield 6 requires stronger system spec.
And as you can see, it's trying to launch, but yep, see, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this error right now. So the first thing I wanna do is hit your Windows key or your start key and type in system information. Open it and look and see if you have secure boot state on or off. If it's on, you're good to go. You can play the game. If it's off, you're gonna go ahead and enable the secure boot. So the fastest and easiest way to turn on secure boot is by restarting your computer. And to do that, just go ahead and turn it off or do restarting your computer or hold the power button. Now the first thing you wanna do when you do that is whenever the computer is actually turning on is you wanna spam the F2 or the delete key or whichever key that your actual BIOS screen uses. To figure that out, you'll need to actually look at which button it is on the computer. You'll see that when the computer is turning on, and then you'll see the screen when you're actually in there. After doing that and saving it, restarting your PC, you should be able to launch the game with no problem whatsoever. So if you guys did enjoy this video, let me know in the comments below. If this did help you, if you guys need any help, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.